53. If y is equals to tan inverse of secant x plus tan x, then dy by dx is equals to, we are calculate dy by dx, whereas given y is equals to tan inverse of secant x plus tan x, therefore y is equals to tan inverse of, we know that secant x plus tan x is equals to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 in trigonometric theory. Tan inverse of tan theta is equals to theta, coming to us 5 by 2, 5 by 4 plus x divided by 2 is equals to y with the original function. Now differentiate it with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to constant derivative 0 plus derivative of x by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to 1 divided by 2. Next, 54. At any point on the curve y is equal to f of x, the subtangent, the ordinate of the point and subnormal are in. Let us consider p x y be a point on given curve y is equal to f of x, then length of subtangent is equals to modulus of y divided by m, length of subnormal is equals to modulus of y into m, and ordinate of the point, is equals to y. We are consider length of subtangent into length of subnormal is equals to, what is the meaning of that? Modulus of y into m, y by m into modulus of y into m, that is considered as mod y square, that is the square of ordinate. Hence length of subtangent, ordinate of the point y, length of subnormal are in geometric progression. Since b square is equals to a into c, hence a, b, c are in geometric progression. Next, 55. If the distance s travelled by a particle in time t is given by s is equals to t square minus 2t plus 5, then its acceleration is, whereas given distance formula s is equal to t square minus 2t plus 5. Now differentiate it with respect to t, we get ds by dt is equals to velocity is equals to 2t minus 2 plus constant derivative becomes 0. Then acceleration is equals to derivative of v with respect to time t, dv by dt is equals to 2. So acceleration of the particle at time t is equals to 2. Next, 56. As according to definition of velocity and acceleration, ds by dt is equals to velocity, and d square s divided by dt square is equals to acceleration, rate of change. Next, 56. The focal length of mirror is given by 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 2 divided by f. If equal errors alpha are made in measuring u and v, means delta u is equals to delta v is equals to as given alpha, then relative error in f is, means delta f divided by f is equal to question mark. Now 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 2 by f. Now differentiate it, we get minus 1 by v square into delta v minus of minus plus 1 by u square into delta u is equals to minus 2 divided by f square into delta f. Now whereas given delta v delta u is equals to alpha, taken as common alpha, coming to us 1 by u square minus 1 by v square is equals to minus 2 by f square into delta f is written as alpha into 1 divided by u plus 1 divided by v into 1 divided by u minus 1 divided by v is equals to minus 2 by f square into delta f, whereas given 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 2 by f, taken as common here minus 1 by v minus 1 by u, where minus minus cancel, coming to that alpha into 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to, it is 2 divided by f, or consider as minus, since 1 by u minus 1 by v is equals to minus 2 by f is equals to minus 2 by f into delta f divided by f, where minus 2 by f are removing, coming to that delta f by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v into alpha with the rate of change in f, delta f divided by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v into alpha. Next, 57. The value of c in Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x is equals to L x square plus m x plus n. L is not equal to 0 on closed interval a comma b is, we are calculate point c, whereas given f of x is equal to Lx square plus mx plus n, then f dash x is equals to 2Lx plus m. According to Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash c is equals to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. F dash c means 2Lc plus m is equals to f of b means Lb square plus mb plus n, minus f of a means minus L into a square minus m into a minus n whole divided by b minus a. Now coming to this 2Lc plus m is equals to, where n cancel, Lb square minus a square taken as L common, b square minus a square plus m common, see not required place. Lc plus m is equals to, taken as common, L b square minus a square plus m into b minus a whole divided by b minus a. When dividing numerator with denominator, coming to us L into b plus a plus m is equal to 2Lc plus m. Now both sides m cancel, L also cancel, 2c is equals to b plus a, c is equals to arithmetic mean of a comma b. Now c is equals to a plus b divided by 2. Next, 58. Area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is. So we are consider ellipse taken as a point on ellipse with coordinates a cos theta comma b sin theta. Now this is one of the point on the ellipse forming a rectangle joining all these points P, Q or S. Now it is a center of ellipse 0, 0. Now coordinate, it is y coordinate b sin theta, here also same b sin theta, that is distance b sin theta plus b sin theta is equals to 2b sin theta. PS is equals to 2B sin theta and PQ is equals to 2A cos theta. Now PQ or S forming a rectangle, therefore area of rectangle PQRS is equals to length into breadth PQ into PS, that is equals to 2A cos theta into 2B sin theta. Now area denoted as capital letter A is equals to 2 into 2, that is 2AB into 2 cos theta into sin theta, sin 2 theta. Now differentiate it with respect to A, coming to us dA divided by d theta is equals to 4AB cos 2 theta. For maximum minimum of area, delta A means dA by d theta is equals to 0. From that, theta is equals to pi by 4. At theta is equals to pi by 4, d square A divided by d theta square is less than 0. Hence, area has greatest or maximum at theta is equals to pi by 4. At theta is equals to pi by 4, sin 2 theta is equals to maximum 1. Hence, area of rectangle, that is the greatest area of rectangle inscribed in ellipse, is equals to 2AB. Since sin 2 theta is equals to 1. This is entire greatest area of rectangle inscribed in an ellipse. Next, 59. The least value of f of x is equals to x cube divided by 3 minus AB into x occurs at x is equal to, we are calculate x value. Now differentiate it with respect to x. F dash x is equal to 3x square divided by 3, coming to us x square minus AB. F double dash x is equals to 2x. According to definition of maximum or minimum, f dash x is equal to 0, coming to that x is equals to square root of AB. At x is equal to square root of AB, f double dash x is greater than 0, then f of x has least value at x is equals to square root of a into b. Hence, x is equal to geometric mean of a comma b. Next, 60th one. The center of the circle passing through the horizon and making intercepts 8 and minus 4 on x and y axis respectively. Whereas given x intercept is equals to 8, y intercept is equals to minus 4 on the coordinate axis, we are calculate the center of the circle passing through the horizon 0, 0. Now equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and a, 0 and 0, b is x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0, having center is equals to a divided by 2, b divided by 2, whereas a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 2, hence center is equals to 4, minus 2 of the required circle. Next, 61. The pair of tangents from horizon to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0 is, we know that the pair of tangents from horizon to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is gx plus fy whole square is equal to c into x square plus y square. So most important formula it is, where g is equals to 2, f is equals to 1, whole square is equal to c means 3 into x square plus y square.